Like the white masters, Walter and Duke are ignorant to the fact what Ron Stallworth is actually doing. He's gaining intelligence on the organization and taunting them at the same time. In the second scene, it feels as if Duke is being taught a lesson. Stallworth calls him one last time to seemingly express his frustration at the fact that the bomb attack on Patrice had failed. However, he then makes the exact reference to how in an earlier conversation, Duke was particularly confident that he would be able to distinguish a black person from a white person on the phone by, quote, the way they pronounce certain words, they being black people. Stallworth ends the call with the information that he, Ron Stallworth, is in fact the real black police officer that was in charge of his security detail, making Duke realize that he was being played all along. It is an educational and to some level disciplinary moment that leaves Duke with a mixture of being puzzled and incredulous, if not questioning what he believed to know.